So one of the surprises na dinala dito ni Toyota Motor Philippines sa second leg ng Toyota Gazoo Racing Vios Cup 2023 is ito, ang Hilux GRS. Ano ang makikita natin dito? Let's find out today. Hi, I'm Fort and welcome to Car Moody. So since this is a refreshed version ng Hilux GRS, makikita natin na iba na yung front fascia niya. Yung butas nitong honeycomb grille design is mas malalaki compared dun sa previous iteration for better airflow. Makikita rin natin na aside from its aggressive look, meron pa rin siya a certain level of sophistication dahil dito sa black chrome accents niya na makikita dito sa grille housing pati dito sa fog lamp housing natin. In addition, makikita rin natin na yung logo ng Toyota dito is a nod to the old version of the Toyota logo. Makikita rin natin na meron siyang GR badge dito to represent na ito yung Hilux GRS. So since this is a performance off-roader, hindi lang puro forma tong Hilux GRS. Meron siyang vents dito for aerodynamics. So yung engine guard natin para pang-protekta siya sa mga off-road activities natin like itong mga bato-bato. At yung underlip natin na merong better approach angle. Ngayon, tignan natin yung gilid nitong sasakyan. So dito sa side, makikita natin na pro performance talaga itong new Hilux GRS. Makikita natin na mas mataas na yung ride height niya compared to sa previous iteration. So dito sa tires, makikita natin na mas off-road ready itong version na to dahil mas malapad yung tire treads niya at mas makapal yung gulong compared doon sa wheel size niya. Continuing that sporty appeal is itong boxy na wheel arches niya. Itong blacked out na Hilux logo, itong side mirrors natin, at yung door handles. So now, let's check on doon sa likod kung ano pa yung pwede nating makita dito sa Hilux GRS. So just like sa harapan, nakikita natin na may resemblance tong new Hilux GRS doon sa kanyang bigger brother which is the Toyota Tacoma. So makikita natin dito, mas marami siyang blacked out appointments such as dito sa Toyota logo, itong rear bumpers natin, at itong Hilux logo rito. Siyempre, para ma-distinguish din siya among other Hilux trims dito sa market, nandito rin yung GRS Sport badge niya katabi ng Hilux logo. So Toyota is claiming that the new Hilux GRS is the most powerful model in its class today, with the engine performance bumped up from 200 to 224 horsepower, pero na-retain niya yung 550 Nm of torque. So we'll give you more details about this vehicle right here when we get our hands for a proper test drive experience. So to know more about the motoring industry here in abroad, like and follow our social media accounts. Again, this is Fort, and see you on our next video.